Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over how to create a funds transfer. You'll want to use this feature when there's movement of cash between your bank accounts, and you can also use it to record a payment toward your credit card. Okay, let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, go to the top bar navigation and hover over Banking. From the drop-down, select Journal Entries/Funds Transfer. In the upper left-hand corner, click the button that says Transfer Funds. Input the date you'd like to record the transfer for. Then select your bank account you're transferring from and the account you're transferring to. In this example, I'm going to use a credit card account. Input the amount you'd like to record the transfer for, then click Save and Close. Okay, there you have it. There's our funds transfer. If you'd like to attach documentation, click the paperclip icon in the upper right-hand corner. To void, click the trash icon. And to edit, click the paper and pencil icon. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.